Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Resa Uliasari from class 2D Management, Fakultas Ekonomi and Business. Here I will retell scientific journal for management and economics. Okay, retail canvas business model established by the Bali Petrojaya Company during COVID-19. Abstract business model analysis and canvas business model established by the Bali Petrojaya Company during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has an impact not only in the health sector but also in the economic sector, one of which is tourism. With the limitation of community activities, the decrease in tourist visit to Bali has forced various businesses that rely on the tourist sector to close their business activities. Bali Petrojaya as a gas distributor for a hotel and restaurant also felt in the impact. However, these companies were able to survive with the strategies they made in accordance with the existing situation. Therefore, this study aimed to determine what strategies Bali Petrojaya used during COVID-19 using the canvas business model. This study used qualitative descriptive method using semi-structured interview techniques. The result of canvas business model, the company changed its business from being originally an LPG gas again with a target of hotel and restaurant customers to become a rice distributor and selling food online to several grocery stores, rice shop, and also traditional market after a decline in LPG sales and saying what customers need during the COVID-19 pandemic, namely sharing rice and food online. The strategy of coming directly to target customers is very effective in getting new customers. This is because customers can see explain of good getting carried by the company and can also negotiate price directly, lowering price and using personal assistant to strengthen relationship with customers, make customers feel comfortable and trust the company because a sense of kinship grows. Okay, introduction. Indonesia is one of the countries that has imposed a travel ban abroad to reduce the spread of the coronavirus. This prohibition caused some airlines to cancel their flights, and several airlines were forced to continue operating even though the majority of their aircraft set were empty to fulfill passengers' rights. Many customers are delaying booking their vacation tickets because of the increasingly with the spread of the coronavirus. This situation causes the government to act by providing policies to overcome the problem. Coronavirus also has a hard impact on the tourist sector. Data from the Central Statistic Agency or BPS show that tourists from China reached to 0.7 million people in 2019, which covered 12.8% of the total foreign tourists throughout 2019. The spread of the coronavirus causes tourists to visit Indonesia to decrease. Tourist supporting sectors such as hotel, restaurant, and retail entrepreneurs were also affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Hotel occupancy has decreased by 40%, which has an impact on the continuity of the hotel business. The lack of tourists also has an impact on restaurants where most of the customers are tourists. The weakening of tourists also has an impact on the retail industry. The retail sector is most affected are Manado, Bali, Rio Island, Bangka Belitung, Medan, and Jakarta. The temporary closure of the operation of several hotels and restaurants cannot be avoided to maintain the company. Labor reduction must inevitably be done because most of the expense incurred by hotel and restaurant as non come from employee salaries. This reduction in the workforce led to an increase in the existing unemployment rate. One of the gas agents, Bali Petrojaya, also felt, felt the impact of the closure of hotel and restaurant. Bali Petrojaya is a gas supply company whose customers own hotels and restaurants that depend on visiting tourists. Okay, next literature review. Canvas business model. According to a business model describe the rationale for how origination, create, deliver, and chapter value. Business model generation describe how the company and provide a quick response to customer desires by provide the best value in the company. Business model generation can reflect that in the existing business model, namely the business model canvas, which explains simply through the visualization, display how the company makes money through 9 building blocks arranged into one unit. So, it can be said that the business model canvas is a business model that can describe in simple terms how an organization profit and captures the value of business activities carried out to make money. The 9 building blocks in the business model canvas are as follows. Number 1, customer segment. Number 2, value proposition. Number 3, channel. Number 4, customer relationship. Number 5, revenue stream. Number 6, key resources. Number 7, key activities. Number 8, key partnership. Number 9, cost structure. Okay. Strategic management. Definition strategic management as the art and knowledge of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional rational decisions that help an organization achieve its goals. Based on this explanation, strategic management focus on effort to integrate management, marketing, finance atau accounting, production, research and development, and computer information system to achieve organization success. Okay, target market. The definition of targeting according to is the process of evaluating the segmentation and focusing of marketing strategy in a country, province, or group of people who have the potential to respond. Meanwhile, according to the target market is defined as a group of buyers who have the same net of characteristics which are the goals of company promotion. From the two definitions, it can be said that targeting is an important process in determining who will buy product from the company. Okay, started the segmentation of the target market can be divided into four types. Namely, number one, undifferentiated marketing or mass. Number two, differentiated marketing or segmented. Number three, concentrated marketing or niche. Number four, micro-marketing, local or individual marketing. Okay, research framework. A company has various strategies that aim to maintain and develop its business to make a profit or be number one it is class, saying that these years in the top years for the economy due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many companies are not ready to face it. As a result, some companies prefer to close their operational activities because there are no other strategies that must be taken to serve their companies. Behind the closure of several companies, operational activities when the companies acting as a LPG gas again, Bali Petrojaya companies to run its business with several strategies that have been prepared to defend their business from loss caused by the pandemic. Okay, research methodology. This research was conducted in Bali Petrojaya, which is located on Jalan Kumo Ayu X, Dharma Sabda, Bandung, Bali. This research was conducted to obtain data related to the problem to be studied. The main reason for conducting this research is because Bali Petrojaya in one of the LPG just again that was established in 2009 and is currently surviving and continues to develop and improve. The type of research used is based on the approach and types of research used. This research is included in qualitative research. Buchan and Taylor define a qualitative method as a research procedure that produce descriptive data in the form of oral written word from people and observable behavior. Qualitative research will produce descriptive data in the form of word. The data were analysis in descriptive form and not the form of number as in qualitative results. According to described research, emphasis data in the form of word and pictures, not number, causes by the application of qualitative methods. Besides, everything that is accumulated will likely by the K to what was. Okay, next. Result and discussion. Bali Petrojaya was established in Tabanan Regency, Bali in 2009. At the same time, the kerosene to LPG conversion program was rolled out in the area. Initially, the company goal was to play a role in the success of the kerosene to LPG conversion program. So later we can promote the use of LPG as a sort of meeting the main domestic energy need and are environmentally friendly because we are also committed to always preserving nature and the environment as a trust for our future generation. Starting from dominating the small and medium enterprise market segment, Bali Petrojaya continues the develop and penetrate in industrial sector that support the tourist industry such as leading hotel and resorts in Bali. Okay, switching strategies. First, interview was focused on the strategies used in Bali Petrojaya during this pandemic COVID-19. Informant B also gave some statement that the company reduced its operational cost by reduce employees and also switched to other business, namely rice sales due to the decline in LPG sales due to COVID-19. By by shifting the business sector from selling LPG gas to rice, the marketing strategy must be changed. Following what with informant A explained, to get me customers, the company visit who sellers, rice shops, and market directly as providing samples of goods being sold and also negotiating price directly on the spot. The marketing strategy makes it faster for the company to market rice, increase sales, and also get new customers. Based on the result of previous interview, several important strategies were obtained to help the Bali Petrojaya company survive the COVID-19 pandemic, which will the create and canvas business model regarding the important strategies used. Number one, customer segment. Number two, value proposition. Number three, channels. Number four, customer relationship. Number 5, revenue stream. Number 6, key resource. Number 7, key activities. Number 8, key partnership. Number 9, cost structure. Okay, next conclusion. Based on the result of the discussion in this study, several conclusions can be presented and follows. The new strategies produced during the pandemic based on interview with Bali Petrojaya are as follow. The company changed in business model from paying originally an LPG gas agent with the target of hotel and restaurant to become a rice distributor and selling food online to several grocery stores, rice shop, and also traditional market after a decline in LPG sales and saying what customers need during pandemic COVID-19. The strategy of coming directly to target customers is very effective in getting new customers. This is because customers and see example of good carry by the company and can also negotiate price directly. Canvas business model, one of business model that will in component sparately in future research can be added 316 graduate business model to make it more integrated. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.